today I'm here to test drive this beast of a motorcycle called Meteor 350. Hey yo, what is up club members, how you all doing? Welcome to another video to the Club Talks. This is your boy Asad. So today I am here at the Royal Enfield showroom, and today I'm here to test drive this beast of a motorcycle called Meteor 350. So today I'll be giving you guys all the details about the bike. So we have basically three variants in the Meteor 350 section. So I'll be taking it for a test drive, and also I'll be giving all the detailed specifications of the bike. So stick till the end of the video to watch all of the specifications and my personal review of this section in 350cc. So guys, here is the first test ride of Meteor 350cc, and this is the Supernova version. Basically we have three variants in this bike. This is the top variant. This is called the Supernova, which is the higher end of the three. The other two are the Stellar and the other one is Fireball. Basically there are no changes except for the colors, so only the colors are different. Fireball comes with the red tan color with the full body in black, and the other two variants are in multiple colors. You can choose from either blue or black or red, so you have multiple choices in the Stellar and the other variant, which is this, the Supernova. This feels completely different because I drive R15 V3, which is completely a racing bike, but for a touring perspective we can get this one, or the other one is okay. We have some traffic here. I'm having some problem with the foot pegs because I'm used to keeping them in the back. The bike feels really good. This is a tourer, obviously. This feels like the amalgamation of the Steelbird and the 350 Classic. So this bike feels really good, handles really well. I don't have a clear section on the road. Let's go take it back, and from then on we can okay. The bike feels really good. I mean the power, the quick start, the pickup is really good. Obviously this is a 350cc bike. I feel my R15 V3 to be powerful. This feels better than that. Obviously that's a 155cc and this is a 350cc bike, so you'll definitely have a edge over that. If we get a clear section, we can just launch the bike. The bike controls really well. It comes with a dual ABS, and it comes with a dual ABS and feels really good, very powerful, and the handling, controlling is just amazing. let me find a clear section on the road and we can just launch the bike. Yes, now we can. This feels really good. Cornering is amazing. Even when you turn the bike, it doesn't feel, you know, hefty. It's lightweight. Yes, from here we can have a clear section, I guess. It's really, really good. This feels completely different. मेरी बाइक से तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अलग है एंड दिस एक्सपीरियंस इज़ रियली गुड. टूरिंग के लिए काफ़ी सही बाइक है. अगर आप एक टूरर ख़रीदना चाहते हो तो दिस कुड बी अ गुड ऑप्शन टू यू. 350 सेक्शन में बहुत ही अच्छी बाइक है. टूरिंग के लिए यू हैव वेरी लेस यू नो ऑप्शंस इन दिस सेक्शन एंड इन दिस प्राइस रेंज. तो 350 आपके लिए काफ़ी सही हो सकती है बाइक. So this bike feels raw power. जैसा कि आप लोगों ने देखा, the pickup is really good and cornering, controlling of the bike. जैसे भी आप लेन स्प्लिट कर रहे हो, so you don't have any problem splitting the lanes, which I don't really recommend by the way. But yeah, in every corner this checks every box. बहुत ही अच्छी बाइक है. And now we are at the showroom, so let's put the bike back in its place. So let's talk about the specifications now. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 comes in three variants: the Supernova, the Stellar and the Fireball. The one which I'm driving right now is a Supernova. This 349cc displacement bike gives a mileage of around 40 to 45 kilometers as claimed by the company. This single cylinder 4-stroke air oil cooled engine produces a maximum power of 20.4 PS at 6100 rpm, and the maximum torque goes up to 27 Nm at 4000 rpm. It's a dual channel ABS with features like Bluetooth connectivity and navigation makes it a level up on its predecessors. The windshield can be adjustable and the speedometer is analog with the trip meter digital, and the bubble has the capacity of 15 liters. If you are a cruiser lover and you have the budget of around 2 lakhs, you are looking for a 350cc section bike, this is the way to go. So here we wrap up the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the content, do hit the like button. If you have anything to say, comment down in the comment section down below, and subscribe to our channel for weekly videos like these. Thank you so much guys again. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.